I installed this ceramic subway tile yesterday and it looks great. Now I'm ready to apply grout. I waited a day to make sure the tile mortar was completely dry, which takes 24 to 72 hours. Since it's ready, I'm ready. Let's get started. First things first, let's prep the wall. Wipe away any adhesives or spacers that might prevent the grout from filling the joints. Grouting can be pretty messy, so grab a plastic sheet or a drop cloth to protect any surfaces. When you mix, always make sure you follow the package instructions. And save a little powder in case you need to do touch-ups later. Some people like to add the water to the powder, some like to add the powder to the water. Either way, thoroughly mix it, let it rest about 10 minutes, then mix it again. You're looking for a consistency like toothpaste. Now that the grout is ready, I have about 20 to 30 minutes to apply it before it dries, so I'll be working pretty quickly. I'll apply a pretty good scoop of grout directly to my rubber grout float. I'll start at the bottom and work my way up, pressing the grout into the joints, then coming back at a tilted angle to wipe away any excess. The goal is to make sure all the grout joints are filled so your tiles don't shift. It's been 20 minutes and now I'm ready to wipe away any grout residue with a grout sponge. I'm using a brand new one because I don't want any contaminants to mix with the grout and scratch my tile. You want the sponge to be damp with hot water, not completely soaked. Now, wipe in circles nice and easy, making sure you don't remove any grout from the joints. You can use your finger or a tool to push the grout into the joints. I've let this sit for about an hour. Now it's time to wipe it clean with a damp rag. I'll dip it in warm water frequently to keep it clean. Once this dries, I'll buff the tile. If the haze doesn't come out completely, no big deal. You can come back in a few days with some grout haze remover. Usually a clean cloth should do the trick though.